Greetings! This tutorial scopes on how to make a timer alarm clock on Adobe Flash CS3 Professional ActionScript 3.0. To get started, go to the destination where Adobe Flash is located. Start All Programs, Adobe Master Collection, and the Adobe Flash. To create a new Flash document, choose Flash File ActionScript 3.0. First, we need a bit of preparation at the stage before we get to the coding part. Press Ctrl-J key on your keyboard, which is the document properties, and set its settings on your desired pixels. I set its dimension as 1000 pixels and its height as 800 pixels. Next, find an image of a digital clock or any image you desire to be a background. Go to File, Import, Import to Stage, and choose your desired picture. For this, I choose a New Year theme as my background. While the image is still selected, go to the Properties panel and set its width and height. Again, while it is selected, press Ctrl-K on the keyboard or go to the Align panel and make sure the following is selected. Align Horizontal Center and Align Vertical Center, and of course, to Stage. Again, while it is selected, press F8 on the keyboard, which is to convert it to symbol. Choose the type of movie clip and registration to center, then OK. Now we're going to do the text part. Now make a text field on the stage to display on your background. Go to the toolbar and choose Text Tool. Go to the Properties panel and choose Dynamic Text. Choose your own font style. For this, I choose Black Ladder ITC. Your size. And your font color. Now you are ready to drag anywhere in the part of the background. Put it anywhere you want. Now we're going to give it an instance name. I give it T-status. Next, we need to make again another text field. It is where the message is going to display. And again, go to the Properties panel and choose Dynamic Text and your desired font settings. For this, I choose color blue. Drag it anywhere in the stage. We're going to give it also an instance name, and I give it message text. Now, we are ready to go to the ActionScript panel and type it some code. We're going to open the script panel by pressing F9 on the keyboard. Go to the scene 1 and we're going to type the actions. First, we make an instance of the timer class and name it TimerClock. Variable TimeClock is equals to new timer Then we start it when the Flash movie starts. Just simply type TimeClock.start. Here we make some couple of variables. The first one handles the timer count. Var time number is equals to 10. Number 10 indicates the number we're going to start the counting. Next, this one is a variable, so we can change the number of timer, and we're going to set the alarm to the alarm where to start. Variable alarm time number 0 is where our message will going to display. Now we add an event listener to the timer instance, and also we can trigger a function to add a number to our own variable. The code is TimerClock that add event listener timer event dot timer update clock. Again, there will going to be another function. This is the function triggered by the trigger. Function here we have two conditions. First one is if the time is more or equal to the alarm time, this will make the alarm start and the timer stop counting. So our condition is if time is less than or equals to alarm time, our trace is going to be alarm. Here we're going to display our message. Message text. The text is equals to, I choose Happy New Year. Of course, if there's an if, there's an else. The else statement tells Flash to add or to deduct 1 second to the counter every time this function is triggered. Again, this might sound a bit confusion, but math that rounds down so we don't get any point something or decimal numbers. And then we're going to multiply it by 10 to make it in seconds and divide it all by 10 to get the seconds and milliseconds. So our code will be time is equal to, going to use the function math.round times 10 divided by 10. And then the last code is we set the timer text field t status equals the time. Remember to use the string class to convert it to string, or else you will get an error. So the last code will be t status, the text is is equals to string time. Make sure your codes are correct. Now we're going to test our movie. Press Control Enter the movie script. There. Close the Properties panel. We're going to test our movie. Press Control Enter on the keyboard. There's our movie. Again. Happy New Year and thanks for watching. God bless.